Wood is culture in the hands of Italian craftsmanship. Craftsmanship which has grown into a world of technology. Evolution which has led to the most advanced industrial systems and machinery. Designed and built by SCM, the leading brand in woodworking technology. SCM belongs to the industrial revolution in the wood industry. Over half a century of innovation, patents, a track record of challenges. Today, a leading industrial player focused on woodworking technologies with multiple production sites. Implementing the latest in lean manufacturing to ensure quality control and considerable savings, both of time and cost. The broadest range of solutions worldwide, a tangible answer serving countless industries. From an infinite selection of joinery machines to highly specialized models and turnkey solutions, the most appropriate response to each customer's requirement. Over 1,000 engineers and technicians from leading schools and universities. Talents cultivated in SCM, empowering the next generation of technologies. At the heart of our business comes the customers, their ideas and their objectives. With the world's widest distribution network, SCM provides solutions faster and closer to market needs. Years of evolution have brought together the best industrial companies specialized in all aspects of wood-based manufacturing. A synthesis of excellence, forging the strongest and most advanced woodworking technologies to make up our DNA. SCM is more. SCM is part of SCM Group, a solid global company and market leader for industrial machinery. From manufacturing equipment to systems processing the widest range of materials and for the production of technological components.